Welcome to Lesson 1 on learning chord piano. My name is Jeff, and I'll be showing you how to read music and play on the keyboard. You might hear in the background some screeching. We have two parrots at our house, Gracie the African Gray and Tico the Sun Conure. So if you hear a little screeching, that's just the birds singing along. So let's take a look at the music first. These are things that I've pointed out in the written lesson. The first thing you notice on the left end of the staff, this is the staff, the left end, is the clef signature. This is the G clef. It means that all the notes you see, both on the music and on the keyboard down here to the right, are from middle C, the very middle of the piano, and to the right, those are the notes that you're going to see on the music itself. And the next thing you see is the meter, the number of beats in the measure and what note gets the beat. In this case, we have a quarter note, a quarter note, that's what this is right here, and 4 of them in a measure. A measure is from one bar line to the next. These are measures. Now in this first measure, it might be a little confusing because you can readily see there's only 2 beats. These are beats 3 and 4. Sometimes in music, we have the first of those 2 beats at the end of the song. Over here, we have a half note, and it's beats 1 and 2. As you go to verse 2, you pick up 3 and 4. So, we have a quarter note, then we have a note with a dot after it. No matter what kind of note it is, it gets half again as long. So, a dotted quarter note has an eighth note extra value to it. This is an eighth note with a flag. So, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and back to the beginning, 3, 4. All right? Now, let's see what these notes represent. We have a C, which is middle C. We have an E, which is a couple notes up, and a G, and you'll notice that is 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how it goes in the melody. Now these letters, the big letters, represent the chords. C, F, another C down here at the next line, and E minor, D minor, C, G7, C. And we play those with the left hand. Here's the C chord, C, E, and G. An F chord, C, F, and A. Another C, C, E, and G. E minor, E, G, and B. D minor, D, F, and A. The C again, and a G7. G, B, D, and F. And back to a C. Now, you play the notes with the right hand, and then you add the chord. You don't need to put that B in there, that just makes it fuller. Or don't add the D. You've got a variation there. So, now, the next thing you might want to do, if you've got a keyboard or a piano, it'll have foot pedals. And my piano's got 3. We have the right one is the sustaining pedal. We'll be using that. And when you press it down, it makes the chord and the notes resonate longer. That's without the chord, without the pedal, with the pedal. So you hear that, how that sustains, and so the next thing you need to know is that when you go to the next chord, you need to lift your foot as you get ready to play the next chord. Otherwise, the first one bleeds over on the second one. So every time you change a chord, you lift your foot and put it back down again. So we have Michael rowed the boat ashore, hallelujah. Michael rowed the boat ashore, hallelujah. Now, the next thing you can do is instead of just playing the melody, you can add the rest of the chord to the melody. So and here goes. Now, the next thing you can do is you can roll that roll that chord. Instead of just playing bam all at once, you can roll it along. Now all I did there at the end was a little bit of a flourish. It's just all those same notes in the C chord. C, E, G, C, G, C. So adds a little flourish at the end. So here we go. Michael rolled the boat ashore, hallelujah. Michael rolled the boat ashore, hallelujah. Enjoy!